morning. Well, it finally stopped raining here, and it's actually not too terrible of a day. The sky's blue, not a cloud in the sky, which is nice for once. And so I thought I would come up and I would saw some lumber today. We're going to make some stickers for stacking lumber. I'm running low on 4x4s, and as we all know, well, maybe we don't all know, stickers and things to stack your lumber are probably one of the most important things that you need to make, and one of the least fun things to make, because you know they're just going to be used for stacking lumber. So I try to use, you know, logs that aren't that great for this sort of thing. And today you can see that we have a white fir log. Not looking too great. It's a top cut of one of the ones that I had cut down earlier because it was rotten. So it's kind of a nasty log, so it's really knotty. So I don't think it's really good for a lot of stuff, but it's going to be good for this. So you can see that it has a pretty decent crook in it here. And so I believe that I'm going to cut it off right down here. And that's about 9 feet. We'll do some measuring here in a minute. Get rid of that. That'll give me a nice 9-foot log where I can trim the ends and get 2 4-foot 4x4s out of each 4x4 that I cut out of this. Normally the stickers are 4 feet long. They are actually the length of the pallet fork, so you can just slip the pallet fork underneath and it all works out well. Let's see. I would say that's pretty much 4 feet. So that's what we're doing. So let's see what we got here. On this end, got a big old wow there. Looks like a sucker limb was coming off of it. Cut that off before we even get started here with my saw. It is 11.5 inches on this end. And it will be about, I don't know, 10 inches on this end. 9.5, 10 inches on this end once I cut it off. Now let's see how big it really is on this end. Oh, it's 9 inches. About 9 inches. Well, we'll see what we can get out of it. I'm sure it'll be great. Here's something to watch out for. See how this butt? Look at that flare. I should have whacked it off on this end too. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll shove it this way a little bit and just cut that off so it's not messing with me. Be a lot easier. I'll just do that.